Good morning, children. In this English class, we are going to study about the image and the letters which are going to start with the image. Okay. See, this is animal yak. And what is this letter? Y. Y says yeah. Y says yeah. And this is letter K. K says K. K says K. And this is letter U. U says A. U says A. So which letter is matching with this image? Yes. Y. Y. Yak. Y. Yeah. Yeah. Matching. So we have to circle this. We have to circle this image. Circle this image. Draw a line from letter to image. Now let's go for next image. This is a bird. What bird it is? Which bird it is? This is a parrot. So parrot. And this is letter C. C says K. C says K. And this is letter D. D says D. D says D. And this is letter P. P says P. P says P. Parrot P. Parrot K. Not matching. Parrot D. Not matching. Carrot P. Matching. So we have to circle this and draw a line from here to letter to image. Okay. Now what is this? This is bunch of grapes. This is bunch of grapes. Grapes. So what is this letter? W. What W says? Wah 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 wah. And this is this is letter G. G says G. G says G. And this is letter J. J says J. J says J. So grapes V. Grapes not matching. G. Grapes matching. So G. Grapes. Circle this letter and draw a line to here. And this is a jug. Jug. This is letter G. G says G. G says